In this video, I'll be showing you how to do spot trading on the Weex app. I'll be showing you how to buy cryptocurrencies and sell cryptocurrencies on the Weex app, and also how to make money with spot trading on the app. So if you're interested in doing spot trading, or you're interested in knowing how you can buy different cryptocurrencies and invest in different cryptocurrencies on the Weex app, then this video is for you. So please watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan. I'm a crypto trader and I make videos on crypto and personal finance. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please like this video first so that you can see more of my future videos, and don't forget to also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Now let's get into the video. Now, as you can see on the screen right here, I'm on the home page of the Weex app. Now, if you want to go ahead and do spot trading on the Weex app, the first thing you need to make sure you do is to make sure that you have funds in your spot wallet. Now, there are different kinds of wallets. Now, let me show you. Now, if you come here to the bottom side of the screen where you have your assets, if you click on it, you see that you have your futures wallet, your spot wallet, your funding wallet, and your earn wallet. Now, the USDT you want to use to trade spot must be in your spot wallet. So if your funds is in another wallet, you need to transfer it to your spot wallet. Now, let me show you an example. So let me open this right here. So you can see in this wallet, I have, for my spot wallet, I have $17. For my funding wallet, I have $100. So let's, for example, I want to transfer this $100 to my spot wallet. Here is how to do it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to come here and click on transfer. So once I click on transfer, it will show me from spot USDT to funding USDT. So that's not what I want to do. I want to do the opposite or the reverse. So you can see right here. So that means that I have to transfer from funding to spot. So to change it or to interchange it, just click on this icon here. So if you click on it, you see it has changed. So you are sending from your funding wallet to your spot wallet. So once you've sent that, make sure that it is showing the coin you want to transfer here. So I'm transferring USDT, and then I enter the amount I want to transfer. So I want to transfer 100 USDT. So you put it right there. If you want to transfer everything in your wallet, just click on all here. So once you've done that, just come to the bottom side of the screen and click on confirm. So you can see successfully transferred. Let's go back. So you see for the spot wallet, I have 117 USDT. Now, once you've confirmed that you have your USDT in your spot wallet, then the next thing is now to go to the spot trading page. Now, at the bottom side of the screen, you have the futures page and you have the trade page. Now, if you want to do futures trading, that's when you click on futures. But if you want to do spot trading, that's when you click on this trade. So I'll click on trade right there. And this is the spot trading page. Now, if you want to go ahead and do spot trading, the first thing obviously is to pick the coin you want to trade. So let's say, for example, I want to trade, let's say BTC. Let's say I want to trade Bitcoin. You come here to where you have this WXT / USDT. You click on it. And once you click on it, it will show you your favorite coins, the futures coins, and the spot coins right here. So if you have some coins under your favorite coins that you've saved already, just go ahead and click on it right there and go ahead to trade. But if you've not added maybe some of your coins to the favorite section, just come here to where you have spot. Now, once you get to where you have spot, so pick the cryptocurrency you want to trade. So like I said, I want to trade, let's say I want to trade BTC. So I just come here and click on BTC USDT. So you click on it right there. Now, once you've picked the coin you want to trade, the next thing is to pick whether you want to buy or you want to sell. So let's, for example, you want to buy or you want to invest in BTC, or you want to buy it and hold, whichever one, you click on buy. If it's that you already have it before, but you now want to sell it, you want to sell it to get your USDT and your profit back, then you click on sell. So if I want to buy it, I'll just click on buy right here. Now, the next thing is to pick your order type. Now, we have different types of orders. So you see where you have this limit. If you click on it, you see that at the bottom, you have limit order and you have market order. Those are the two types of order, the two main types of orders. You have different types. But on the Weex app, we only have limit and market. On some other apps, you will see some maybe stop limit, OCO, and different types right there. But on the Weex app, you only have limit and you have market. Now, what's the difference? How do you know which one you should pick? Now, if you are picking the limit order type, it means that you have the chance or the freedom to select or to enter the price at which you want to buy that coin. So let's, for example, right now, if you look at this, BTC is at $87,700. That's $87,700. Let's say, for example, I don't want to buy at this price now. I want to wait for it to maybe come down to like $85,000. That's the price I'm comfortable to invest or buy BTC. then I'll use limit order type. I hope you are following me. So that's what limit order type is used for. It allows you, so I'll come here and select it again. It allows you to select or to enter the price at which you want to buy the coin. Now, if you are picking market order type, which is the second one, it means that you want to buy it immediately. You want to buy it instantly. You want to buy it at the market price. That's why it's called market. So you want to buy it at the market price, which is the current price right here. I hope you understand. So that's the difference. So whichever one you prefer, you go ahead and pick it. So let's say, for example, I want to buy market. Now, for the sake of this video, I'll be picking the market order type. But before I go ahead and pick it, let me just show you how to use the limit order type first. So if you want to pick the limit order type, just click on limit right there. And then you come here to where you have price. So you can say you have this price here. You edit it and put the price you want to buy it. So let's say I want to buy it at $85,000. Just put in $85,000 right there. So once you've entered the $85,000 right there, you come here and enter the amount of USDT you want to spend or the amount of BTC you want to buy. So you enter any of these two, that's just the meaning. So let's say, for example, I want to buy BTC worth of $100. Let's say I want to buy worth of $100. So it will show me the amount I will be getting. So this is the amount of BTC I will be getting if I buy it at $85,000. I hope you get. So then you go ahead and click on buy BTC. So once you click on buy BTC, you see it right here. Where you have this open orders. So you can see it here. It will be under open order. The reason why it's under open order is because the trade is still open. The trade has not been executed. That's the meaning. So once it's executed, it will now go to your asset or you have it in your wallet. I hope you understand. So the trade will not be executed until the price of Bitcoin goes down to $85,000. So if the price goes down to $85,000, then this trade will go through to buy USD, to buy BTC for you. I hope you get it. So it's as simple as that. But let's say, for example, it has not gotten to the price or maybe it's taking too long and you don't want it again, you can cancel it. So you just come here to where you have cancel. Just click on cancel right there and that is all, it is cancelled. So it's as simple as that. Now let's say, for example, you want to use market order type. Here's how to do it. Now for market order type, just come here to where you have limits. Click on it and then click on market. Now for this one, you see that where you have the price, it has entered market there. You can't edit anything there. So you can't edit anything. You are buying at the current price, which is this. So the only thing you just enter is the amount of USDT you want to spend or you want to invest. So let's say I want to spend $100 right there. So this is $100 and then I'll just come here and click on buy BTC. And then instantly the trade will be executed. So you can see order placed. It is not under open order. It is directly in my wallet. So let's check my wallet. So you come here to asset, come to sports, click on sports wallet. You can see it right here, BTC. This is the amount of BTC I just bought right now. So you can see it will go straight to your wallet. So that's how you can buy or maybe invest in Bitcoin. So for those of you who are watching my top 10 coins to buy every month and you're always asking, oh, how do I buy and hold these cryptocurrencies? Here's a simple way to do it. Just make sure that you have USDT in your wallet and just make sure that you come here to the spot trading page, buy it. And once you buy it, it is directly in your wallet. So you can hold it there till when you make profit and then you can sell it. I'll be showing you how to sell it too right now. So I hope you understand. And for those of you that are wondering, okay, how do I deposit USDT? I already have a video on how to deposit from your bank account to your wallet right here on the Weex app. So you can go ahead and watch that video. It will show you how to buy USDT directly and then you now use the USDT to invest in whatever coin of your choice. So that's how to do that. So let me just go ahead and sell this coin. So let's say, for example, you've held the coin for some time or for some weeks or for some days and you're already in profit. Maybe you're adding like maybe $120, $150 or whatever profit you prefer and you want to sell it so that you can take your profit. Here's how to do that. So you come here again to the spot trading page and then you come here to sell. Now make sure it is the same cryptocurrency you bought that is showing here. If it's not it, you just go and select it. So it is BTC USDT. So just come here to where you have sell. Now once you click on that, you come here to market or limit again. So if you want to sell it at your own preferred price, just click on limit. But if you want to sell it right now, you want to sell it instantly, that's when you pick market. I hope you get it. It's the same thing whether you're buying or selling. It's the same meaning. So let's say, for example, I want to pick limit. I'll just click on limit right there and then I'll come here and put the price at which I want to sell it. So let's say I want to sell it at let's say $95,000 just for example. $95,000, then put in the amount you want to sell. Now, let's say, for example, you want to sell everything you bought. That's what you want to sell. Then here's what you need to do. Just move this slider. You see this slider right here. Just move it to the end, which is 100%. If it's that you want to sell half of it, move it to 50%. right there. Yeah. If I want to sell maybe 20%, whatever percentage you want to sell, just move it to it. So let's say I want to sell everything. I'll just click on 100% and then I'll just click on sell BTC. Now, once I click on sell BTC, the trade will not go through. It will be under open order, just like the buy order. But it will only go through when the price now gets to $95,000. So it will automatically help you sell it. So you don't have to be online or available to sell it by yourself. It will automatically help you sell it. But let's say, for example, you want to sell it immediately, you want to sell it right now. Maybe it has gotten to the price you want and you want to go ahead and sell it. That's when you pick market order type. So I'll just come here, I'll click on market, and then you can see I can't enter any price. I'll just enter the amount I want to sell. So let's say I want to sell everything again. Just put it to 100% and then click on sell BTC. So I'll just click on sell BTC right there, order placed. So let's check my wallet. So come here to wallet. This is spot wallet. I can see my USDT is now $117 back and I don't have any BTC in my wallet. So it is as simple as that. So for those of you that are looking to buy cryptocurrencies through sports trading on the Weex app, this is a simple way to do it. It's a simple and straightforward. Now, like I said earlier, if you want to learn how to do P2P trading on the Weex app, I have a video on that. It's just my previous video. Just go ahead and check it or check the link in the description below, or you can ask for it. I'll reply your comment with the link to that video. And also, if you want to learn how to do futures trading, I have a video on that. The link to that will be in the description below, or just feel free to ask me in the comment section. I'll reply your comment with that video. And don't forget, if you want to register for the complete crypto trading course where you'll be learning how to make money with crypto trading, or maybe you want to join my premium signal group, all the links are in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.